If you've dropped and damaged your Dyson Cyclone, you're going to be left with low suction and a really expensive part to replace. Today I'm going to be repairing it with epoxy putty. This stuff cost me £1.50 and it's really easy to use. You just mix it together until both colours become one. And then we're going to fill the damage with this stuff and it's slowly going to set. If you just mould it into where your damage is, yours may not be as bad as this, but it'll still work on small cracks too. Now this isn't going to be a factory finish, you'll see that in a minute. The idea behind this is that I've got this vacuum cleaner working again at a fraction of the cost. This was going to cost us £100 to repair, so £1.50 isn't bad. Now once this putty is set to a rough shape, we need to leave it for about 24 hours if possible until it fully hardens. Then you can sand it down into a better shape. I've used a nail file because that's how professional I am, and it did the trick, to be honest with you. Again, it's not perfect, but it did the job. Now once you've done all the filing, you can get some nail varnish or some model paint and get the best colour match that you can. Again, mine could be better, but I found some grey nail varnish and to me it's not done a bad job. The vacuum cleaner's working again, I've saved some money, and you know what, if you squint it looks mint. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos. This next one is one that YouTube has chosen for you.